Hey, good afternoon, adjuster. This is Luis with Storm Shield Roofing. So today I'm going to proceed with the Attemp repair, and I'm on the property of Carmelo Blanca. That's a 7 Grace Way, Centeridge, New York. So today I'm going to replace this damaged shingle. That's missing shingle. It has to be complete shingle. It's this on this. It's complete shingle that I'm going to replace it. Like you can see, there's not any kind of damage before the replacing the shingle. There's not any crease, any kind of damage on these shingles. It's not any damage. So these are shingles that I'm gonna replace it, but there's not any kind of damage in the shingles. So I'm gonna proceed with the repair. So also I'm gonna using the tool that Allstate requires. That's snake tool that we're gonna use today. Like I said, I'm gonna proceed with removing the nails. Alright, so I remove all the nails, and there's one more here. So I remove the nails. I'm gonna put it back the new shingles. I'm putting back the new shingles. Okay, so I put about all nails back. So I just want to make sure that. All right, so I put it back the new shingle. So like I explained at the beginning, so this was the shingle that I replaced it. So we replaced complete shingles. So before the repair there was not any kind of crease shingles. Right here there's not any crease shingle before the repair, but as you can see here, once we complete with the repair, there's all crease shingles that we got. As you can see here, all crease shingles that we got after the repair was done. All crease shingles that we got after the repair was done. And also on this section, all crease that we got once the repair was complete. So if we make another repair against replacing this damaged shingle, we will be damaging more shingles. So that's why this roof is non-repairable.